How to create or make new roles on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'm about to simply guide you on how you can actually create new roles on your Discord account to your Discord servers. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First of all, you could simply open the Discord app if you have installed them on your device. Or else you could also open any of the browsers that you have. And in the search box, you want to simply go to discord.com. So make sure to go to this correct URL. I'm also going to leave the link down in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. Now you can simply open Discord in your browser. And I'm going to log into my account. Make sure that you are logged into your Discord account. After you are logged into your account, first of all, you can see this is how the default interface looks like. Here, you want to simply select the server on which you are an admin of in order to change or create a new roles. So, how do we make new roles on Discord? After you select your server, what you want to do is you want to hover your mouse over the server and then simply right click on it. As you right click on your mouse, you'll enable these menu right over here, and here you want to scroll to the option called server settings. So as you can see the option called server settings. After you hover your mouse over here, you want to come to the right hand side, and here at the top you'll find an option called roles. So what you can do is simply tap on this button or click on this button which says roles. As you tap on roles, we'll be taken to this page right over here, where you have the option to actually organize your members, use roles to your group server members, and assign permissions. What you can do is simply tap on this button called create role. As you tap on create role, you have the option to actually create new roles. What you can do is, first of all, on the top you want to go to the permissions tab and simply create new roles which you want your members to have. So you can go ahead and assign the permissions, such as if you add roles, they will actually also be able to manage all of the channels. You can go ahead and simply select these options right over here, and then here on the left hand side you can see the option called new role or everything. You can go ahead and simply select any of the choose image back, and if you tap on this back button you can see this members right over here. Now you can go ahead and tap on this edit button, and if you want you can go to the manage members and then add members right over here. You can go ahead and select any of the members whom you want to add to this role right over here, and people who are added on this role right over here would actually be able to manage all of these permissions which you have given them the access to. You can go ahead and come back if you want. You can also create a new role if you want. So simply tap on the create role button, go ahead and tap on the new role button right over here. If you want to delete a particular role, you can simply tap on the more button and then tap on delete as well. So this was the way on how you can very easily actually create new roles on Discord. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.